Raghavan Gopalakrishnan, who is going to narrate the story behind the Onam festivals. Over to you, Raghavan.
Good evening, children. Good evening to all. Welcome to this wonderful session. Really enjoying. I hope you're all enjoying it, children. Right? Hello? No answers?
Yes.
Yes,
Great.
sir.
Great. So let's look at this very interesting story about how the story behind the formation, the Onam festival, how Onam festival came into existence. Basically, it's a story about King Mahabali, also known as Bali or Indrasenan or Mahabali, who was the demon king from the Asura tribe. Now he was the grandson of Prahlad, whom you remember as the great devotee of Mahavishnu, of Lord Vishnu. Now King Mahabali, being a demon king, was a benevolent and generous king. Understand what is benevolent? It has got different meanings. Kind-hearted, friendly, and caring for people. Imagine a demon king being such a great, caring, and generous king. And obviously, he made no discrimination between people in his kingdom, and he took care of them and the people were all very honest, happy, and healthy. Can I have the King Mahabali's picture? Yeah. So here is the King Mahabali. Now this is the king. Imagine, he was such a great king and he made no discrimination with people. He treated everybody equally, and that's why they were all very honest, healthy, and happy. Now also, for a brief period, King Mahabali possessed the Amrita, what is called as the nectar of eternal life, which protected him actually, which made him immune to to death. One of the wars between the Suras and the Asuras, he was killed, but his associates brought him back to life. And the important thing was he became invincible because after a long war, he conquered heaven and earth both. Now it was during this time that the Suras or the Devas went to Lord Vishnu for help, because one single person controlling all the three worlds. Now Lord Vishnu immediately told them that he will not wage any war with King Mahabali, nor will he kill his devotee. But then Lord Vishnu used a tactical approach. What he did was he actually took the fifth avatar, the Vaman avatar, in the form of dwarf Brahmin, and he went to meet King Mahabali. Now King Mahabali was busy with his celebrations of the victory, and he was performing the Ashwamedic, Vedic sacrifices and giving away gifts to all. And at that time, Vishnu, in the form of dwarf Brahmin, approached him and asked him for 3 pieces of land. Now, King Mahabali, being a great king, immediately agreed. And as soon as he agreed, King Mahavishnu, immediately grew in size, and he took the Trivikrama form. Okay. Took 2 faces, one covering the entire sky, the heaven, and the second the Patal. Now, it was at this time that, as soon as this happened, immediately King Mahabali realized that this is none other than Lord Vishnu. And as he took his 3rd phase, immediately King Mahabali offered his head to Lord Vishnu. And this act was of Mahabali king was made Vishnu so impressed him so much that he gave a boon that every year that King Mahabali will return to his kingdom and people for attending the Onam festivities. Now it is believed that as per the Hindu text that King Mahabali was sent to the Patal world. Also, there are some scripts which say that he was sent to the Vaikuntha, which is a higher place than that of the Devas. But whatever it is, the most important thing is Lord Vishnu did not kill him. In fact, granted him a boon whereby he could return to Kerala for the Onam festival. Now, as per the Hindu text, also it is said that basically this festival, which is of the decorations, colorful decorations. Then you have the lighted lamps. You have the feasts, the gifts giving and feasts and all. This has been continuing in Kerala and the world for a period of more than 1,000 years or the millennium period. So these are the qualities which we need to learn, children. Most importantly, even being a demon, imagine he had such great qualities which we should all imbibe in ourselves. Being kind hearted, being caring to people, being generous. So these are qualities which we need to acquire. And imagine that the world is celebrating the returning of a demon king to their native land. And that's what happened with King Mahabali. And as far as the Onam festivals go, we will have the presentation coming up. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Raghavan. That was very interesting. Thank you.